A week after motorists blocked the Scots Pass main road in Clarendon, work has finally started. The poor road condition has been an issue for quite some time. Anthony Lugg has this primetime news follow-up.
A long time we have with this. Long time we have with this.
They have held us to ransom for the past 5 months.
Residents and motorists responding to rehabilitation work along the Scots Pass main road leading into porous Manchester. Last week, disgruntled motorists blocked the road, demanding that it be repaired. They argued that the road, which is riddled with potholes, has become overbearing. The sight of the ongoing work is welcomed, but there are concerns.
This could have been avoided if I'm sure there's a personnel from the National Works Agency who goes around and inspect the roads and the conditions of the road, and they report to the higher authorities. I also know that politicians drive on the roads, and they must have reported to the higher authorities. And if they did so, what has happened? If they didn't report it, then it would be a dereliction of duty. But if they reported it and the NWA has not done anything, we have to ask ourselves why.
Why? I say going in Jamaica, somebody have to dead before you get result.
Okay.
I understand, and that is a shame.
But Community Relations Officer for the Southern Region at the National Works Agency, Howard Hendricks, insists the work was not initiated because of the protest.
This work was in the pipeline. The work was put to tender. The contractor was selected. We were just waiting and getting the material. Then the protest came.
Mr. Hendricks says the work done so far was completed between curfew hours on Saturday and Sunday, as the NWA wants to reduce traffic congestion.
We will be doing a similar thing next weekend, and as we move towards the completion date, we'll be doing some work during the week as well. But look out for one-lane traffic and just have some patience with us.
In the meantime, Member of Parliament for Clarendon Southwest, Lothan Cousins, has also responded to the news that the NWA has begun the long-awaited work.
We are grateful for the work that has been done thus far, and we're hoping that other areas that need the attention, receive the focus.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.